Namaste everyone, I hope you're doing well. So today I'm going to take you to my lovely small little garden. The reason for this small survey is that I want you to introduce to the difference between Brahmi and Gotu Kola. Because after Gotu Kola is also some people just name as Brahmi, but they are entirely different verbs. Not entirely, there have been quite similar functions in them. I recently made a video on Brahmi, and I'm going to make another video on Gotu Kola as well. They have very similar functions though, but they're quite different in appearance, and they are also There's differences in which they like to grow. So I have been growing Brahmi for quite a while, uh, almost 3 years. I have been growing Gotu Kola as well in my little garden, and they're very easy to grow. But there's small little difference which I'm going to share how you can grow them better. What I did is, and it was a mistake actually, I grew them together, and since they have slightly different nature, so they don't go very well with each other. So first, I'll introduce you to my little herb, Brahmi and Gotu Kola. Okay, so let's go to the pot. This is a little bamboo. It has grown quite tall. So this is the pot. Can you see these leaves? These sort of kind of big plate of cress. Some leaves you can see are quite big, quite massive, in comparison to some leaves which are quite short. So they all are basically Gotu Kola. Centella asiatica, that's its name, Centella asiatica, Gotu Kola. Now Brahmi, when I grown it up quite a while back, about 2 years back, I give half a section to the Brahmi and half a section to the Gotu Kola. But Gotu Kola capture all the area, and I'll show you a little Brahmi which is still available at some locations. If you see this one, can you see this? I hope you can see it. You see, this is very different from the other. Yeah. So there are some strains of Brahmi still left. I'll show some. This one's died out. So let me find out some of the strains. Yeah, there is one more here. If you see this one here, can you see? It's different kind of leaves, very small in comparison to Gotu Kola, very different kind of appearance. So they're still underlying. Yeah, if I go deeper I can look at it. I'm not sure if the camera can capture it. So one is here. If you go deeper here, yeah, so probably camera can't see. Yeah, and this one is here. If you see this one, this one. So yeah, so what happened is basically Brahmi loves water. In fact, you can grow in water. I mean, it doesn't mind a lot of water. Even if water is logged, it loves it. But Gotu Kola doesn't like too much water, and it grows very well even if there is less water. So that's what happened in this pot. I'll show you one more. I find actually a good strain of the Brahmi. Here you go. Can you see? This one is a clearly not this flower, but this one. This is Brahmi. So there are small creeps underlying on the bottom, but hard to see. And there's one more there. So yeah, so it's not that much now in comparison to Gotukola. Gotukola has grown very fast and captured all the space, and the reason was I was not giving too much water, and Brahmi need too much water. In fact, it has to be waterlogged. So that's why it's also known as watercress. And Gotukola doesn't, it doesn't have to be waterlogged. So this pot provide perfect condition for the Gotukola, and Gotukola has outgrown the Brahmi. But yeah, I have still some Brahmi left. One more I can show you. It's here. This one, can you see? It's moving. Yeah, this one is Brahmi. So this one is Brahmi, and this one is Gotukola. Yeah, this whole is Gotukola. Gotukola, in fact, you can see all over. It's in the entire pot. So yeah, so Brahmi is Bacopa monnieri, and Gotukola is entirely different. Santium asiatica. So they're two different herbs. Very quite similar. In fact, some practitioners confuse them as one. But technically in Ayurveda, Brahmi is Brahmi, and the name of Gotukola. Gotukola is, I think, a Sri Lankan name, but in Ayurvedic text, it's known as Mandukparni. Mandukparni. Okay, so with this small introduction of Gotukola and Brahmi, so I will conclude this video here. I hope you liked it. Please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much. I'll see you soon with another video on Gotukola.